Hello everyone and welcome to this explanatory video for the Automation Beam Championship hosted by Nev Cohen. My name is Oliver de Halvervan and I will be your voiceover guy for today. This video is for everyone who is new to the championship who wants to learn the general idea of what we are doing here and how things work. Of course, you can also watch this video if you've already entered one or more of our events, or if you're just a diehard fan of my smooth vocals and terrible Dutch accent. Some info about the championship. We host a championship consisting of seasons and rounds. In each season there are 5 rounds, which will be released, scored and videofied weekly. The championship is completely free of charge, unless the mods are annoying, then fines are up to $500. Of course I'm kidding, everything is free. We have a friendly international group of players in each season, from the US to the Netherlands, and from China to the deep, dark, nightmarish lands some people call Scotland. The Discord server has an on-topic channel for every single thing you might ever want to discuss about Beam, automation, the championship and all those kind of things. You can even ask for help and some of your competitors will surely help you get going. There are friendly mods running around the server who check all the cars and make all the rules, and they also make the video weekly. They are also available to help you wherever necessary. We have several off-topic channels as well, talking about everything from different games to car spots and from in real life racing to other random things. The link to the Discord will be somewhere, I think, in the description of this video. The only thing you need to enter the championship is BeamNG or Automation. You can also have them both. You need a big smile and you need $500. You don't need $500. You don't need to pay anything. You can join us as your own driver and constructor, so that you are a complete team yourself. You can also join as either a driver or a constructor separately, but there are no guarantees you will be paired up, because the amount of players that enters from each category differs. As I've mentioned quickly in the previous part, we have 2 championships running at the same time. We have a Drivers' Championship, counting who's the fastest driver each round and overall at the end of the season. And we also have a Constructors' Championship, which counts how well a team does overall. So building the best car, building the best looking car and driving the fastest lap in one. In the Constructors' Championship, your car will be reviewed and scored on the normal things, like automation market scores, automation scores, so for example drivability and such, and an aesthetics votes, where everyone can vote on which grades from 1 to 10 they give each car. Your lap time, or the lap time your driver sets, is also scored. So you can drive your own car for your own team, or if you want, or are not able to do that, you can have a team driver too. Beam drivers are always in high demand, so if you're joining us just as a driver, you're guaranteed a team. If you're a constructor needing a driver, you'll be able to choose a driver or get paired up depending on how desperately you need a driver and how many drivers there are available. So you might ask yourself, but Oliver de Halvervan, how does this all work? Well, let me tell you. Each Monday we will release a new set of rules tackling super varied time periods and types of cars. You will have 6 days to build your car and take photos of it, and after that you have 1 extra day to set a quick lap. Once everything is submitted onto your team's Google Drive folder, it is checked and then the results video is made with the results in the next few days after the final submission date. You want to join, right? I can see it in your eyes. You can join via the Discord link in the video description. When you've joined, you can request a role in the Request a Role channel. This protects the server from bots. Sign-up sheets, where you can enter your team and fill in all the details you need, will be available and released before every season starts. So, now, I've told you everything. There is only 2 things for you to do. Join the Discord and send us $500. No, again, I'm joking. I bet Nev is having second thoughts about me doing this video right now. Anyway, join the Discord, have fun, and join the championship. We'll see you there.